With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in the given question we have been provided with some methods used for the laboratory preparation of salts that are: the first method is metal plus acid, the second method is carbonate plus acid, the third method is carbonate plus acid, fourth method is precipitation or double decomposition, fifth method is titration, sixth method is direct synthesis. Okay, so we need to choose which method, state the methods of preparation, that is A, B, C, D or E for each of the following. Okay, we need to tell which preparation method is used to make the following compound, that is calcium carbonate. Okay, so we need to tell which method from above the 5 is used to make calcium carbonate. Okay, so calcium carbonate has formula CaCO3. It is a white solid. Okay, and it is basically prepared in lab by reacting sodium carbonate with calcium chloride such that we get a PPT of calcium carbonate plus we get NaCl. Okay, so in the lab we just take a sodium carbonate salt, we react it with calcium chloride such that we get calcium carbonate as white PPT and NaCl. Okay, so we also need to balance this reaction, so we just multiply this by 2 and we see each and everything is balanced. So this is option number D, that is precipitation and double decomposition. Okay, as you can see that Na is displaced by calcium, at the same time calcium is being displaced by Na, so it is double decomposition or displacement, hence it is option number D. Okay, so the method in lab used to prepare calcium carbonate solid is precipitation or double decomposition. Okay, we just take sodium carbonate, we add calcium chloride salt such that we get calcium carbonate as precipitate. Okay, so the answer is option number D.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.